a drone I built over a year ago, and it's the biggest one I've ever built. It's also the first one I built with a SpeedyBee F405 version 3 processor in it. So it's based on an ancient 2011, I think, DJI S330 frame, and it's flying 3S because at the moment that's the biggest battery you can get inside the frame. And I realised I'd never flown an Acro at all, so one quick modification, which you can see, basically give the camera a bit of up tilt, and today was the day I went and tried it out. So just taking the top off it, one change I made was I've replaced the old Zeus VTX with the Zeus Nano 350mm. It's programmable through Betaflight, and this is before I started putting beepers, programmable beepers inside it. So what I've done on the outside, about here, I've put the V-Fly beacon, a self-contained one with its own battery, just in case I need that. Well, fortunately I didn't. And as I say, the camera's very basic. They cost about $15–20 when I was buying them, but and probably the degree of up tilt's a bit excessive. But I had fun, and that's always the main thing when you fly a drone. So here's some footage from the recorded on the Skyzone SkyO4X Pro at 60 frames per second, and I think it comes out fairly well. Noticed I was having a little bit of trouble with a Zeus Nano in the other drone last week, getting streaks across the picture, and although the first flight went well, the second one I encountered what looked like severe interference and had to retrieve it because I was flying low, so I couldn't, when I put it into GPS rescue, it wasn't high enough to accept it, so I just went down. Found it okay after a bit of a search, but I thought, okay, let's try a few things. And the one thing I know is that although the Skyzone goggles are great, they're not very good at making VTX modules. So I thought I've got a RapidFire module that, again, is kind of gold standard for modules that's compatible. So I'll swap it over. So that's what I'm flying with today and why I'm doing it. So it's a combination of RapidFire plus the Zeus Nano, and I think you'll agree compared to last week I'm getting a better picture. I don't fly quite as far, but as I say, the main thing here was just curiosity to see how well this thing would fly acro, and the answer is brilliantly. Yeah, it's pretty fast considering it's only 3S, so I'm encouraged to maybe do some frame mods in the future so I can shoehorn a 4S into it and see if I can get the magic number. But yeah, it's a good flight, a warm day. So I'll leave it at this point and just find some music that you can listen to or turn down as you see fit. So till next time, bye for now.
She grew up with love everyone would expect. Had an army behind her, got it from the opposite sex. Friends told her she was beautiful, so she gathered up her confidence, decided to go out on her own. She met you at the peak of her confidence, but all you cared about was would she submit, drop everything and give her all to you. Well, what about what the girls want? What about self-destiny? Shouldn't even be an argument. Consider what's best for me. What about what the girls want? What about self-destiny? Shouldn't even be an argument. Consider what's best for me. What's best for me?